Good day, I'm Tracy McCormick, and this is the McCormick Media Minute. If you've been on even one Flex presentation, you've been asked the question, what makes Flex unique? What sets you apart from the other CTV providers? What is your unique selling advantage? With Flex, we have so many unique selling advantages that I'm going to take 3 sales videos to lay them out for you. These advantages are so critical to the success of our sales that I'm going to strongly suggest that you commit these to memory. These advantages are a part of your elevator pitch on Flex, and you need to be able to answer the question, why you, quickly, intelligently, and articulately without any hesitation. Here are the first couple. Number 1, scale, 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 and more scale. Not everyone has this. Most platforms don't. Platforms you'd think would have to have scale for local markets do not. Don't just assume that Netflix or Amazon or Hulu, because they're big players in the streaming space, have any scale on their ad tiers. They don't. In fact, the biggest detractor to buying those platforms is their lack of scale. Not only is scale important to the sale, it may actually be the only thing that matters to many potential clients. Why? Because what's the sense in talking about geo-targeting or attribution or proof of performance marketing if your platform can't actually reach the necessary people? Remember, CTV is famous for eliminating waste. If a client gives a platform a big schedule of impressions to reach, and that platform only serves half of the impressions because that platform didn't have the scale, then the impressions that they did serve were wasted. Why were they wasted? Because the planners determined via a reach and frequency tool that the client needed to reach X number of people, Y number of times. And if the campaign only reached half of that scheduled impressions, then they didn't reach enough people enough times to make the required sales. So when a platform does not hit the impression goals, they have wasted the client's money. How are we able to have this huge scale? The answer to that is in our second differentiator, which is, with Flex, we have directly sourced inventory from all our Fox-owned and operated properties, along with content from 150 plus premium content publishers. The word premium is an essential part of this line. You can't just say 150 plus publishers. Premium publishers means, in essence, that we do not partner with YouTube. There are no dog videos in our mix. There's no short form videos. There's no questionable content that would compromise a brand's reputation. You don't need to say or explain brand safe environment if you use the word premium content publishers. Now tune in next week to our video on more Flex differentiators explained. I'm Tracy McCormick, and I hope you found this minute valuable.